Back in 2016, I was working for one project. For that project, I worked for more than 6 years. Now, after working for more than 6 years in that project, I was such a comfortable position that every work or whatever the work I was doing, I was fully aware. End-to-end system, I was aware. I know the peoples involved in that. I know the managers, my team members, then the client as well. Everyone, I was so much familiar. For the work as well, I was doing very well. My performance was also good. My life was such a comfortable that I used to go to office by 2 p.m. in the afternoon and leave the office by 9:30 p.m. And that to be with the pickup and drop facility from my organization. Now you can understand how comfortable the life was. I was very comfortable. However, after 6 years, when the project contract got renewed, whatever the work me and my team was doing was not required at all. That's what been told by our client. That means we need to get released from the project. Whenever I got to know that I will be going to release from the project, I was very tense. How I will be managing the work and other things in the new project. I was a bit uncomfortable at that time. That life was so simple, like life was very comfortable, but now again I need to join another project where I'll be working there. Fortunately, just one good thing was with me that for 1 year I was learning another technology as well because I was aware that whatever the current work I was doing may be not required in future as well. So I had learn another technology as well in SAP area, and I got certified in that as well because I was thinking that if I get released in the next project as well, then I will be working on this technology. That's what means happen means I when I got released, I joined another project. There, I was completely new to this technology. I never had an experience to that technology, but I was just trained and certified. And I was hired there as a technical lead again in that project where I had to get the project on track because that project was not in a good position and there were so many issues happening from the client and the team was very small. I had to build the team as well. There were so many challenges as well. My project manager told me that this is the opportunity for you to learn and for you to grow your team and yourself. Now, again, the life was not that simple. The project timing was different. There was no pickup and drop facility from this project. I had to travel on my own, and there was some extra timing as well. It means it was not like just 8 hours working timing. It was more than 8 hours sometimes. The other challenge was the technology was completely new. I was getting to learn many things, also handling the client pressure as well. So many things, many challenges were there. However, the one thinking was there and one belief system I was having is learning never stops, and whatever you are doing, just keep learning. There will be challenges, there will be any difficulties, but if you have a learning attitude, whatever is coming, just face it, just try to learn it and make the work as good as possible. That is what I was thinking. That's why for initial few months I worked a bit extra. I took some time to understand more technical details about the project. I spent some time with the project peoples and try to understand the things. And after a few months, we were on track. We got some client feedback as well. Means we were able to build some confidence in from the client. That was going good as we progressing. So that was good thing. After working for more than 1 year in that project, I got an opportunity to work at on-site as well. That was something was a good experience. I was again uncomfortable working at on-site, but learning never stops. That one attitude has helped me that whatever the challenges, whatever the uncomfortable positions in life comes, that is an opportunity for us to develop. While working at on-site with the client as well, got good experience for me. I got a good feedback as well from the client as well, and everything was going well. That's how it happened, and the project was on track. Thing is about when we say that learning never stops, and if you have a belief attitude that whatever you are working, just keep on a learning attitude. So never think of that there are challenges. Challenges will be there. There are challenges going to come, but these challenges we need to understand it as an opportunity for every one of us to understand. Now this one position, now this one incident which has happened to with me has gave me so much confidence that I can now work anywhere I can learn any new technologies. That's the confidence I got. That's why I would always say, whenever you feel uncomfortable, just say that it is an opportunity to grow. That's what I wanted to share this with you. I hope you will find this somewhat motivating to you, and you can go through your life challenges as well, and you see wherever you feel uncomfortable, that where the opportunity to grow. This is Atul Kadlag signing off until we meet next Sunday.